Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to the garage. Today we're going to be working on the truck. We're going to be getting the other door taken off, and we are going to be replacing this rocker, and we'll do the door posts because I'm pretty certain that if the passenger door posts weren't replaced, these ones weren't replaced either. The other side, the passenger side, is pretty much been completed. I got just a quick layer of primer put on, but it is looking like brand new, just like how I wanted it. Everything looks good. It's all smooth, blends into the doorposts really nice. It was a lot of work, but it was absolutely worth it for those results. We got a new bench seat for the truck. It's out of an 88 to 95 Chevy 1500, I believe. We got them from a really good deal. We got them from a lady up in Edmonton for $100, which, I mean, they're a little stained, but I'm pretty sure that with a good steam cleaner and some time and patience, just like the rest of the truck, we can get them looking much better until we have them reupholstered or whatever we're going to do with the entire interior. I wanted the bench seat so that I can take both of my girls with me to car shows and meets and cars and coffee, and just be able to have both of them come with me rather than only one because of the buckets. We also did some work to the passenger fender, getting it all smoothed out, getting the lines all proper and clean. We got the trim holes filled. We just got a quick layer of sandable primer laid down just to protect the bare metal until we are going to see the professionals at the body shop. We got the outer rocker cut out. We got the lower door posts cut out, and forward one cut out, ready to put in the new pieces. We got the new door post. It needs quite a bit of trimming, which is okay. And then we got the forward one. Both of these are from Scott's Super Trucks. This one looks like it'll need a bit of trimming as well, but that's pretty standard. Same thing we did on the passenger side. The new rocker is up there. We got all these parts from Scott's Super Trucks here in Alberta. Great company to deal with. They always got usually what I need, or if not, they'll order it in, get it in for us, and we can keep moving along with the project truck. So I'm gonna end the day here. Gotta go get the kids from school. I'll probably paint this half doorpost on the inside before we start cutting and welding in, just so the paint has time to cure and it'll be protected before we weld everything in. We got the battery tray mounted onto the new front Rad Support. Doesn't that look absolutely incredible? Jay from Powderworks did a phenomenal job. Man, that looks so good. I honestly can't wait until we can get this front end assembled with the new lights and what we're doing to the grill. All the freshly powder coated parts. This is going to look phenomenal. We also took the buckets for the parking lights. We also took the buckets for the parking lights over to Jay. We're going to have those powder coated silver, just because instead of the orange front, which you're not going to be able to see through and not see in behind, we are actually going with clear ones. The clear ones will show what's behind, and they were kind of ratty and looking like just real trash. So instead of just leaving them or painting them black, we'll have them powder coated silver. They'll look really good, and obviously with Jay doing it, it's just going to be like absolutely perfection, and it's just going to look so good. And I can't wait, just the whole front end when it comes together. I think it's just going to look phenomenal. So other than that, we're going to end today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of a project. We're going to get going on the other rocker, so hopefully we can get the truck back and start reassembling everything, because once the outer rocker is done on the driver's side, then we can start hanging doors and fenders and get the hood put back on and keep moving forward with Project Cruise. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe,